Hello, everybody. My name's Francesca Mundry. I am a theater arts major and a speech communication minor, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. So, I am a transfer student from Chaffey College. I have 3 degrees from there. My first one is an AAT in theater arts. Then I have an AA in social and behavioral sciences and an AA in arts and humanities. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about my love for theater. I have been in theater for half of my life. I am currently 26 years old now, which will be 13 years of technical theater experience. My overall goal is to be a college or university level theater arts teacher. And my specialty in theater arts is in technical theater. I can do anything from running crew to directing and anything in between, which covers a lot of tech jobs. I have several learning disabilities, but they have never stopped me from doing what I love. I have dyslexia, which is a reading disability, but I can read perfectly fine, although sometimes when I read, it turns into wavy lines, or I sometimes switch or invert letters. I also have dysgraphia, which is a writing disability where you can't form letters or numbers properly as you're writing, so it looks like chicken scratch. I also have directional dyslexia, which only happens when I'm driving or when I'm really tired. Sometimes I can't tell my left from my right, or I take a wrong turn. And I also have an auditory processing disorder where I could be talking to a person about a topic or a subject, and I may have to ask them a question because I don't understand something and have them reword what they just told me in a different way, and then it clicks. I learn best by visual, verbal, and auditory. These disabilities have helped me to think outside of the box and complete the same exact task just in a different way. I would like to try to create an accessible classrooms for my students to enjoy whether they be a theater major or not. Thank you all for listening to my sample video and have a great rest of your day.